Peko peko.
In English, you could say very hungry.
Okay.
But what sounds more natural?
I'm starving.
So it's not a word for word translation.
Exactly. Today, 5 Japanese sound words that need natural English, not direct translation. Japanese can express feelings, actions, and situations with short sound words.
But English usually uses a normal adjective, verb, or phrase.
So today we'll look at the Japanese word, the meaning, and the natural English version.
And if you want to practice these expressions, the worksheet for this video is in the description. Yesterday, my coworker kept interrupting me.
So how do you feel?
Ira-ira.
Oh, you mean irritated.
Ira-ira describes an annoyed or frustrated feeling.
In English, we don't translate the sound directly. We choose the feeling.
If the feeling is building, say, I was getting irritated.
If someone caused a feeling, say, that really annoyed me. What did you do this weekend?
I stayed home and goro goro.
Oh, you mean lounging around.
Okay.
Goro goro means relaxing at home without doing much.
In English, we don't translate goro goro as a sound, we describe what you were doing.
Say, I was just lounging around.
Or more simply, I was just relaxing all day.
Did you eat lunch?
No.
Peko peko.
You mean very hungry.
Peko peko means very hungry.
In English, we usually describe the hunger directly.
Say, I'm starving.
Or, I'm really hungry. By the way, this is exactly what we train in our lessons.
Not just vocabulary, but how you actually sound in real conversations.
If you need this for work, we run ProSpeak, our corporate training program.
And if you're studying individually, check out English Pro online.
The links are in the description.
Alright, let's move on.
Listen to that restaurant.
Gaya gaya.
It's noisy.
Gaya gaya describes a noisy place with many people talking.
In English, we usually describe the place or the atmosphere. It's really noisy in here.
Or, the restaurant was loud and crowded. Why is he walking around the office like that?
Uro uro.
He's wandering around.
Uro uro means walking around without a clear purpose.
In English, we often describe the movement. He's wandering around the store.
He's pacing around.
Today, we saw 5 Japanese sound words that can sound strange when translated directly.
Ira-ira.
Goro goro.
Peko peko.
Gaya gaya.
Uro uro.
Instead of translating the sound,
English usually describes the feeling, action, or situation.
quick mini quiz.
How would you say goro goro in natural English?
A. I was rolling around. B. I was lounging around. Or C. I was making noise.
Write your answers in the comments. English mistakes are not always grammar mistakes.
Sometimes they are tone mistakes.
If this helped, please like the video and subscribe.
And if you want to practice properly, check out the worksheet in the description.
It will help you review the meaning, tone, and real usage.
See you in the next one. Mata ne!